Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to engrave another white tile on my Atomstack X7 Pro. I got it zeroed out on the tile and have done a framing. It's going to be a B kind. I believe I have it set to about 50%. And we're going to start this engraving. But I will be back with an update. My centering was a little off. I didn't go into GIMP and center it onto a 100 by 100 millimeter square. But it's a test, and paint's off and it's engraved in. Set to 50%. If you have any questions, just post them below. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.